Turning your engine 39V47 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. On top of this engine, alternator good, same as well from this side, no problem. Engine number is here. Engine number is visible to see, no problem. Starter, no problem. From this side, all good. Turbo here inside. Turbo is spin very good. And there's no up and down, very good. Everything from this side is good. All the EGR pipe is good, no problem. And down here the oil sump, gearbox good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.